Morning students. Today we start a new chapter, green skills. Green skills are the living beings, flora and fauna, non-living things, the vegetation, climate and the natural resources. And each of these affect us in one or the other way. And in turn our actions also have a deep impact on all of these, largely called as the environment. So environment consists of a particular natural surrounding in which we live or exist. Now what is the relationship between the society and the environment? The society consists of a group of peoples living together in a community, in a village or in a city, and these group of peoples with set their own ideologies and beliefs that affect the environment. If a group of people believe that rivers are scared, then all the peoples belonging to that group will practice that, support their beliefs. If a group of people believe that killing of animal is a crime, then the people in their community will reflect it in their behavior. But if a group of people is greedy and is concerned to accumulate wealth, then their actions will echo their mindset and will have adverse effect on the environment. So our actions will affect our environment also. To fulfill our greed, we are exploiting the natural resources, while nature has its own way to show its fury. Issues like global warming, climate change, other man-made disasters, etc. have a directly implication of man's activities. Natural disasters like earthquakes have a direct impact on the economy, hence affecting the society. Hence, it may be concluded that both the society and the environment are interdependent and cannot exist in isolation. So, ecosystem and the factors causing imbalance. The factors which are causing ecological imbalances are: first is deforestation. Due to the increase in the population and the requirement for more houses, we have cut down the forests. We have built houses in hilly regions also, due to which trees are cut down. In order to maintain the lifestyles, we also cut lots of forests. With increasing deforestation, the problems related to climate change has risen in past few decades. Even some species of birds and other animals are also extinct due to changing climatic conditions. Now, degradation of land and soil erosion is another factor of ecological imbalance. Deforestation has raised the problems like soil erosion and degrading quality of land. The poor quality of land and soil is resulting in rising health concerns for human beings. Then we have over exploitation of resources. To satisfy our needs, we are not using the resources available to us, but we are exploiting them also. We are great tons of waste due to over usage of resources, making it difficult for our own cells to breathe fresh airs. The natural resources that takes millions of years to prepare are being used at a rampant rate by us. That is not only causing pollution but will make the life of the future generation also difficult. Then we have next factor is industrial and atmospheric pollution. The rising number of industries is one of the major concerns these days. The pollution caused by these industries and factories is not limited to air, but they have also polluted our rivers and landfills also. And then we have faulty mining practices. Large scale mining has caused conversion of agricultural land and forests to become stockyards, railway tracks, roads, etc. Not only this, mining dust is also degrading the quality of air around us. Improper disposal of mining waste is resulting in degradation of land. Faulty mining practices have several implications on human health also. Now, natural resource conservation. Natural resources are largely seen as air, water, land, and energy. In the prevalent time where pollution levels have risen to the extent of causing health hazards, conservation of these resources is the primary concern. And conservation is the key to the world environmental problems also. This means that we need to use the resources around us and without wasting them. First is air conservation. By minimizing the release of toxins and greenhouse gases by the industries, we can conserve fresh air. Water conservation. Scarcity of water has caused international agencies to act immediately. Wisely using the water is the need of the hour. Adopting rainwater harvesting system in our communities and wastewater treatment plants shall contribute in conserving water for future generations. Using water in our day-to-day life, using water aerators in taps shall also help preserving waters. Now, land conservation. Conserving land means to act at two levels. First, promoting afforestation and discouraging deforestation for material benefit. This will help to promote life forms to survive and help to maintain balance in the ecosystem. Second, by improving the quality of soil. Most of the health concerns today are due to poor quality of food. The landfills and degradation of land and agricultural field is resulting in poor quality of crops, leading to major health concerns. So, the call of the action is to manage our waste using 4 R's and 1 U: reuse, reduce, reuse, recycle, and upcycle. Next is energy conservation. We use a lot of non-renewable resources of energy to fulfill our daily needs. Conservation of energy means to conserve these resources and use alternative sources of energy to meet our needs, such as wind, solar, wave energy, etc. Air conditioners with door closed. By using air conditioners with door closed, not keeping the door of refrigerator open for too long, keeping the lights and fans switched off while not in use, using public transport or carpooling, etc., are some practices that we can adopt in our daily life to conserve energy. So, next is green economy and its importance. This means that without compromising on the ecological aspects, we create options that promote the economy. According to UNEP, United Nations Environment Programme, a green economy is defined as low carbon, resource efficient, and socially inclusive. In a green economy, growth in employment and income are driven by public and private investments. So, this is all about the green skills and the green economy. Thank you.